If you're looking for a fast, fresh, and flavorful dinner idea, you need to try this chicken in lettuce cups. It's a healthy meal that's light but still filling and delicious. Plus, it's easy to prep and quick to cook too. Soak dried shiitake mushrooms in warm water to soften. Drain well, squeeze off the excess water, and finely chop. Water chestnuts add lots of crunch. You can find them in the canned vegetable section of most Asian supermarkets. Fry mung bean thread noodles in hot oil until puffed and crispy. Other topping choices include chopped peanuts, crunchy chow mein noodles, shredded carrots, or toasted sesame seeds. I use ground chicken to make things simpler, but you can mince chicken breast or thigh meat with a knife or in a food processor if you like. Add cornstarch to help keep the meat moist and tender, Chinese cooking wine, and soy sauce. In a wide pan, saute garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add ground chicken, break it up, and cook until no longer pink. Add the water chestnuts and mushrooms and stir to distribute. Season with rice vinegar, oyster sauce for a hint of sweet and savory flavor, and sesame oil for added aroma. Stir until evenly coated and adjust the taste with salt and pepper as needed. Pour a bit of water for moisture and continue to cook until the chicken is done and most of the liquid is absorbed. Sprinkle the green onions for a touch of freshness. Separate and wash the lettuce leaves well, then shake them until dry. Spoon the warm chicken filling into the center of each leaf and garnish with extra green onions and crispy noodles on top. These chicken lettuce wraps are a nutritious, low-carb dish you'll feel good serving the whole family. Feel free to swap the chicken with ground turkey or tofu for variety. Enjoy!